So today's lecture we will see the some important definitions. First, flash point, aniline point, octet number and Cited number. So first we see the flash point. So these are the properties of fuel. So first we see the flash point. So flash point is the minimum temperature at which the sample of fuel gives vapors that catch the fire. So flash point is the temperature. Flash point is that temperature the fuel gives off vapors. So flash point is determined by two methods. One is Cleveland open cup apparatus and second Abel closed cup apparatus. So by these two methods we determine the flash point. So in Cleveland open cup apparatus, so in this apparatus it consists of a brass cup. Here brass cup, we kept oil in this cup and attach the thermometer. And here we attach the one iron plate. So by electrically heating oil, so at temperature the oil it gives vapors or is use of vapor. So this is the Cleveland open cup apparatus. Second, Abel closed cup apparatus. So in Abel closed cup apparatus, here it consists of this is the cup. In here attach a stirrer, thermometer and water jacket. So in this cup, in this oil cup, we fill the lubricating oil or the sample substance that determines the flash point. So when by heating the oil gives off vapor. So whenever vapors come in form, here attach a auto igniter. So whenever vapors come, here ignite these vapors automatically. So we note that temperature. This is the flash point temperature or flash point. Second definition we will see aniline point. So aniline point is the minimum temperature at which equal volume of aniline and lubricant oil is mixed. So this is the aniline point. So what is the requirement of aniline point? So by presence of percentage of aromatic compound, aromatic hydrocarbons. Thus, by presence of aromatic hydrocarbons, it decomposes the rubber seals. Or for prevention of leakages, we know the aniline point or content of aromatic compounds. So lower the aniline point of lubricant oil, it present the higher aromatic compound, and higher aniline point, it means the lower aromatic compound. So in aniline point we determine by using this aniline point apparatus. So in this apparatus, here in test tube we put a 5 ml lubricant oil or fuel and 5 ml aniline. So at the temperature when we heat this, after some time the homogeneous mixture is formed or homogeneous solution is formed. Then we cool this homogeneous solution, and after cooling at the temperature there are two layers formed. First aniline layer and second lubricating aid. The temperature at which this two layer is formed, this is known as aniline point. So this is the aniline point apparatus. In this apparatus it consists of test tube, a stirrer, so aniline plus sample of oil, it heated in test tube. So after some time heating found the homogeneous solution, and the homogeneous solution cooled, the two layers formed, aniline and oil. So at that temperature the two layers formed. This is known as aniline temperature or aniline point of that fuel. So lower the aniline point, at which earlier says lower aniline point, it means that higher aromatic compound present. If higher aniline point, it means that lower aromatic compound is present. So in our fuel we require the lower aromatic compound. So we require the high aniline point for good fuel. Next definition, we see the octane number and cetane number. So octane number, it is useful for petrol, gasoline, and cetane number, it is useful for diesel, gasoline. So we generally see the 60 octane number petrol. So 60 octane number petrol means 60% of isooctane and 40% of heptane. 60% of so first N-heptane. In petrol, straight chain of hydrocarbons, carbon atom, there is a octane number is 0. When branch chain, isooctane, this is the branch chain, isooctane, it is the octane number is 100. So in the octane number we determine or denote the percentage of isooctane. So if the octane number is 60, it means that 60% of isooctane and 40% of N-heptane. So in regular petrol, it is 74 octane number. It means isooctane 74% and remain n-heptane. And premium it is the 81%. So it is required for immediately ignition in cold atmosphere. So this is required for immediately ignition. So premium, where is 81 octane number, it is the very ignitely or immediately start, and regular it is so delay. So this is the octane number. Next, cetane number. Cetane number generally uses for diesel fuel. So diesel fuel ignite easily at low temperature. So high cetane number improve the combustion. High cetane number in cold starting reduce the noises. So in diesel, hexadiene straight chain, that is the 100 cetane number, and branch chain, that is the 0 cetane number. So this is the two, octane number and cetane number. Also next point is the knocking and anti-knocking. So when we start engine, some knocking is seen in our vehicle by to and fro inner parts of that engine. So for anti-knocking, there is adding some additives.